Hey guys, today I'm back with my micro Sprite scooter. The scooter can hold up to 220 pounds, so it's suitable for both kids and adults. When you first take it out of the box, you'll need to unlock it first before folding it out. On the side, there's a long handle which you can rotate to unlock the bike from its folded position. Once you fold out the T-bar, you'll want to lock it into place with the handle. The next step is to extend the T-bar by opening the latch up top right below the handles. It will extend up to 12 inches, and once extended, close the latch to lock it into place. And the back wheel is where the braking system is. Essentially, you can do a soft brake or a hard brake by pressing down on the back wheel with your foot. Now, once you're ready to store your scooter away, you can fold down the handles. Or if you prefer to leave your scooter outside temporarily, you can use the handles as a stand like so. And I also want to point out that the ends of the handles are rubberized, so you don't have to worry about getting your scooter all scratched up. And just a quick side note as well, these handles are also very comfortable to grip. They're completely padded, and so far you can see they haven't lost their shape even after a couple of years of use.